Hey guys, welcome to Compai's expat channel. I'm in my business, Casa De Compai, and I want to take this opportunity to explain to you exactly what is Casa De Compai. It is what Casa De Compai is. It's a small boutique condo complex located in downtown Sosua on a quiet side street. I have 10 condos. I have one two-bedroom. I have 3 studios, and I have 6 one-bedroom apartments, and they're the ones that are housed in the 3-story building that you see behind me. I have a pool. I have a 2-deck lounge area. I have 100 meg of internet. I have the best TV program in the city. I get every sports channel. I get NFL Sunday Ticket, but I also get every local TV channel in the United States, all your major networks and all your major cities. So as an example, I'm a Pittsburgh Steelers fan and a Philadelphia Eagles fan. So what do I do when I watch football? I go to my local Philadelphia channel to watch my Eagles play, and I also go to the local Pittsburgh station to watch the Steelers play. That's not to mention basketball, baseball, hockey, cricket. I also have many channels from all over the world. If you're Canadian, we got Canadian channels. If you are British, Irish, Dominican, get all them channels as well. So, with that being said, I want to show you why you should choose Casa De Compai as your vacation hotspot. Okay, guys, now I'm in one of my renovated one-bedroom apartments. I redid everything in every one of my apartments in the spring of 2020. One of the things that I did is all the paneling that you can see behind me. I added paneling in the bedroom and the living room. The other things that I did that's distinctly obvious is the 2 55-inch TVs with the TV package that I explained about outside. I also added a bunch of different lighting in the ceiling. I added a tray ceiling that has little pod LED lights that shine down, very nice clear lights. But I also added the rope LED lights that you can change color, that you can change the intensity. You can also change whether or not they flash. Let me grab a remote and show you what I'm talking about. So basically, here's the remote. So if I want to change it from blue to green, I just use this remote and boom, I can change it. One of the things that a lot of my clients like is to be able to make it flash like that. Hey, I get it. The bedroom also has the same feature. But you also have a full kitchen, everything you need to cook a meal, make a tropical drink, cut the cost of going out to eat every night because we know Sosua is getting a little bit more expensive. So you're fully equipped in any one of my units that you rent. You have a nice couch, you have a big TV, the living room TV swivels. You also have a half bathroom. That's this door behind me. So there's a half bathroom. So you don't, if you have guests over, they don't have to go through your bedroom to get to a restroom. Boom, you got it right here. As you can see, the big 55-inch TV behind me, tons of channels. Also have a small table for 2. I like my one-bedroom condos, especially the bedroom. What you have is a king-size bed with a double Sealy pillow top mattress. I also added a bunch of paneling behind the bed. What's real special about Casa De Compai is the workstation that you see back in the corner. What I've been noticing, especially over the winter of 2024, was I had a lot of clients who just didn't leave complex. So that told me I needed to do some upgrades. And one of the biggest upgrades that I'm the most proud of is, again, you got another 55-inch TV in the bedroom. So every one bedroom has 2 55-inch TVs with a great TV package that I talked about. The studios have a 43-inch. The two bedroom has 43 inches as well. So you have big enough TVs for the space you're in. So guys, if you need a place to rent in Sosua for your vacation, for your extended stay, give me a WhatsApp, 849-628-3821. All my contact information will be down in the link below. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please hit the like and subscribe button as well to both of my YouTube channels, Compai's Expat channel and Casa De Compai.